Please use Google Chrome or Firefox. Type in My Nametags and click the second link. Click Design your label. Type the text on line 1 as you desire. You can use line 2 and the plus box as line 3, which are both optional. Once you have typed the text you wish, you can choose from our recommended page. Or click Design to change the icon and select the one you would like. Background to change background style and select the one you would like. To change the text, click Text and change the font style and the font color. Select the one you would like and you have created your own name tag. Scroll and add either to the basket, color stickers or iron-ons. This will take you to the checkout page. Please fill in your shipping details, first name, last name, postal address, and your postcode. You may put a telephone number, which is only optional. Add the email address. The school ID field is optional for parents whose schools are registered with us. Tick the information box to receive marketing. Scroll down and click Continue to Payment page. Select the payment method you wish to choose, example Visa, and enter the card details. Please keep your order number for safe reference. Thank you for choosing My Nametags.